Hey everybody and welcome back to JPFD. I'm AG.
I'm AK.
And today we're doing another Hiragana kanji and adjectives lesson. So part 2, we're on the second line of the Hiragana chart, which you can see here on the screen. So we're on the ka ki ku ke ko line.
Yes, かきくけこ.
But this one's a little bit different because
かきくけこ has だくてん. So it is modified to ga gi gu ye go.
So dakuten is the little thing you see on the side of it. So you'll see the characters on the screen. So ka is like this, and then ga is like this.
Ka is ga.
Ka is ga, yes,
And
it's the same.
Ki is gi, ku is gu, ke is ge, and then ko is go.
Very simple.
Yes.
Again, you would have seen them come up on the screen. But let's take a look at some real examples, and we'll see if I can do 5 out of 5 today. So as usual, AK is going to read out the English, and I am going to try respond with the Japanese. So let's see how it goes.
Yeah, so last time you got 5 out of 5.
Last time was 5 out of 5. Perfect score. Let's see if I can keep it up.
Alright.
Probably not.
Today is spicy.
Spicy. Oh, this one you see a lot. This is another one of those words you see everywhere. Is karai.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah, that's
Karai.
one you see everywhere.
Is
Even
it?
when it's not karai, they'll say karai. Because karai means something, not means, but it's a different level here in Japan. In Japan. Japan is like, karai is like, it's a very low bar for something to be karai.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. Okay, so next one is... Oh, okay. Messy.
Messy. Ooh, that's a good one.
Or like dirty as well.
Dirty. I feel like I know this word, I should know this word, and when you say this word, I'm going to say, oh, I knew that word. But I don't know the word right now, so I'm going to have to pass on this one. And
Okay.
it is...
汚い.
Jeez, it is kitana, isn't it? Oh my goodness. Okay.
I think that could be easy word because I often use at work too.
Yeah, it's one of those common words, but I don't hear it enough.
You
for it to
should,
be
like,
ingrained.
your desk is dirty,
Yeah,
so you should
kitana.
clean up
Kitana.
or something like this. So I use it like to my kai. His desk, like his glasses, his glasses are like, like.
So, megane ga kitanai?
メガネが汚い.
Okay.
So that's why I say, maybe you should clean up a little bit. That's what I say anyway. Yeah.
Okay.
Next is dark.
Dark.
I think I use it often though.
Oh my god, this is going to be a bad week. I don't know this one.
You don't know?
I don't know dark. Oh, wait.
Because it starts from ku as well. Starts from ku and an adjective. Go ahead.
I don't know.
You can do it. Okay.
Nope, don't know.
Alright, so the answer is kurai.
You know what's funny? I was thinking that, but I was like, it's not that. Because we just had karai. So I thought, could I know? Am I mixing that up? So I might have known that one. That's like half a point.
No.
No, it's 0
No,
points.
it doesn't work.
0 points. So could I?
Kurai.
So if I say, my room is dark, watashi no heya wa kurai desu.
That works,
It's a
but
bit weird, but it works, right?
yeah, I think preposition we use it Hiragana.
Heya ga kurai.
Rather than
Hiragana,
saying like
correct.
Hirawa.
Oh, okay.
I don't know why, but
Maybe we'll
that's
do
how
a
it
lesson one
works.
day on wa versus ga, but maybe not because that's really confusing and I still don't get it.
Alright.
Maybe.
Yeah. 外は暗い.
Soto wa
We
kurai.
can
It's
also
dark
say-
outside, right?
Yeah, dark outside. 外は暗い.
Got it.
Shall we move to the next one?
Next one, let's go.
Okay. Yeah, I think healthy.
Oh yeah, so this is one again, very common word. You're gonna hear this a lot. Maybe in a slightly different context, but this one is genki,
Yeah.
right?
It's
So it is an
right.
adjective, but you most of the time you hear it, it's not an adjective, right?
Oh, maybe
Maybe
verb?
it's not a verb. It's okay. So basically, what we're talking about is, if you want to ask someone like how they are,
How are you doing?
how are you doing, or how are you? you say genki desu ka?
Mm.
So you hear that often, people, when you greet someone in the morning, say you go to work or, you meet your friends, oh, genki. So, yeah. Although you can also say genki na, right, as like an adjective, and it's like something is...
Oh, like a healthy person.
Healthy person, right?
Genki no hito. But like, genki means like it's not only healthy as well.
Right.
So it means like including like cheerful or optimistic a little bit.
Or happy or having a good day.
Yeah.
It's like you say, how are you doing? And then they say, oh, I'm well, genki. I'm good, genki. Like that.
Yeah, right. Yeah, you know pretty well today too. Alright, next one is... Okay, detailed. Detailed?
Detailed? Detailed?
Or like a small, like fine...
I think I've got the
go ahead.
On this one.
No, you can make a mistake anytime here.
I know, but I don't even have like a guess for this one.
Alright, but starting from ko.
I know.
It's not dakuten. No dakuten. Not go.
So it's ko.
Ko. And then probably, if it's adjective, it's gonna be bra bra e.
Yeah. Koroi.
Oh, that's a difference.
Oh no.
Okay.
Did I say something bad? What was
No, I don't know. Koroi. I think it doesn't exist.
Okay.
But, I didn't answer.
I
can put
okay, so what is it?
Komakai.
Komakai?
Komakai. So, komakai can be used a lot of meanings as well. So, one is like, oh, you're a so detailed person.
Like meticulous? Like,
yeah, meticulous.
Like okay.
Komakai. And then also like, when you see, I don't know, maybe like there's a comb here. So when you see the comb, and then like it has here, right? So in between, that's like a pretty komakai.
A little space? Okay.
Yeah, only a little space. That's komakai means.
Okay, well. Interesting. Like detailed, in depth, like kind of fine.
Yeah, fine.
Fine. Okay. Got
that
it.
kind of stuff.
Okay.
All right. So
review time.
Today you answered 2, 3, or 3, 2. Oh, you only answered 2.
2. Okay. Terrible score. Let's see if I can make it up in the review.
All right. I'm gonna read in English.
Yep.
And then randomly, and you can just promptly answer Japanese.
Let's go.
All right. Dark.
Kurai.
Oh. Spicy.
Karai.
Small. Detailed. Fine.
Komakai.
Okay. Healthy.
Genki.
Dirty. Messy. You can do that. You can do it.
It's gone.
No?
What does it start with?
Ki.
Kitanai.
Oh, good.
Oh my gosh.
Alright.
These are one of my lifelines, but I got it.
Yeah, right. You do pretty well today, too.
Nice.
Alright.
Okay. Yeah, saved it at the end there.
Yeah.
Well, okay, great. I think it's another episode, right?
Thanks for watching.
Thank you, and look forward to the next part. We'll be going over the next line of the Hiragana chart. So we'll see you guys then.
Yep.
Thank you very much. Until next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.